Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video again. So we know this is going to be a very good one because it's a brand that I do like, but it's a bit out of my comfort zone and I want to use it in a totally different way than you would normally use it. That is what is coming today, and I know that you do like these videos. But before we get into the actual product and I've shown you what it's like and into the review testing tutorial video, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff, which is if you like the product, you like the review, you like the testing, you like the advice, you liked how I used it, then please let me know by your thumbs up. And then I know that you like these, I know that I can bring more, and that's a really good thing. Also, if you are new, then I would love it if you come and join and subscribe to tazwells12, my YouTube journey and my YouTube channel. You can do that for absolutely free. Sign up to YouTube, sign up to my account. You can do that by subscribing on the main button on my main page, and you can come and join the little love family I've got going on here and my YouTube journey, and I would be absolutely grateful if you could come and join. Thank you to the subscribers that have already joined and supported me. It means the world to me. Please comment down below if you like the product, you like how I've used it, you like how cheap I got it, and you like, just let me know anything down below and I will 100% comment back to you every single time and like your comment. Please check out my other social medias, which is 1 for Twitter, 2 for Instagram. We have tazwells12, which is my main account, tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, anything you would like to do there, comment. I'd be absolutely grateful. That would be more than great. Last thing is, the video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. This is all out of my own money and an advice video for you guys, and just showing you what the product can do. Versatile way of using it. That is literally what the video is about, and it's not sponsored. So let's get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this. This is the FITME Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily Skin in 355, which is Pecan. You're probably going to look at this and think this is a little bit dark for you, Tara, for foundation, because this is foundation. I know it's foundation. I actually got this out of Poundland. It was literally the last one there, and I was debating whether to get it or not, and I thought, how am I going to use that? How am I going to use that product in a cheap way that might fit my skin? I have come up with the way of, I'm going to use this for contour. It may still be that little bit dark. What we're going to use it for today, I'm just going to pin my fringe up, put a foundation on, which is, I've used this a lot of in these makeup review tutorial videos, and this is the Miss Sporty Miss Correction Concealer Foundation and Highlighter, a multi-action foundation, and this one is 001 Ivy. I'm going to put this on my face, and I'm going to use that with this Real Techniques buffing brush, just because I'm not 100% sure on this foundation, not 100% that I like it. So I just use it for like little tutorials like this because it's just easy, and I don't have to use my best ones, because my best ones are for when I go out or out. That's what I'm going to put on my face, and then we can go through this FITME foundation contouring way of on my face. I'm just gonna literally put my hair up, put this on my face, and we will be back to do this. As you saw, I have just foundationed my face. It's pretty all even. Open this up. I don't know if this is, oh look, it's sealed. Absolutely great, which is a great sign. Generally, when I saw this in Poundland, I could not believe it. I've only just seen one of these, and these are still going out there. Like, people are still buying these. I'm really surprised this was still on the shelf. I think because people thought it was so dark, they were just like, no, I'm not going to do that. And it's foundation, but I look at the products a little bit different, and we'll use them a little bit different. This is a little bit dark, so what I'm going to do is put it on my finger like so, and just dab like where I would either contour or literally bronze. So that's what I'm going to do. Because I think a little bit can go an absolutely long way. If you kind of know how to work this, it's going to be in your favour. So you definitely can see that, which is really, really good actually, because then it just looks like a bronze at the moment. So I probably could do with like a little bit more down this side. But it kind of rubbed it all quite off, didn't it? But you can see that, and I've buffed that in a little bit, so that's quite good. But I just look at these products and think, what could you use them for? What? I knew this was a little bit dark, but I thought, don't beat it. Don't beat it. Like, at the end of the day, because it's a foundation, so it will go on your face or just work a different way. Yeah, I think this is working really well. I think I can clean that up, because what you do is you just get your old foundation brush, or the one that you just used for your foundation, and literally, if you feel like you've gone a bit too low, I just literally give that a bit of buff in, and voila, it works. What we want to do is bring it like a little bit like down here. Like, I'm literally getting the tiniest little bit out, you can see, and then just literally buffing that in, like pressing it in. So bring it down a little bit. Like that, like so. But doesn't that look like if I just put like a bronzing balm on? Then that would look exactly the same. I don't think like if you were like wanting to like contour your face, I think that's alright. You use a really, really tiny little bit. I think we could use this a tiny bit here. And like literally just, my hand's a bit mucky, but hey ho, it's right. And just bring it down. And, like, we've gone a bit down here, so just get your foundation brush. And then here on this like corner. Yeah, that has worked really well, and it's foundation. At the end of the day, it's absolutely not gonna ruin your face. Like, it's literally just use the tiniest little bit and it works like really well. Just like, you just have to buff it in. But I think that's worked really well. I think that's given me like a bronzy look, better than a cream bronzer, to be honest, because it is that foundation sort of like consistency. I have got a smaller stippler brush that I could use to do like the side bits if I was really, really struggling. But I don't think I need to. Like, this is like working quite perfectly. So you can see now there is a bit here, and maybe I've brought it down a bit too long. So just get your foundation brush, cut across like you would do contour, and then just go to the edge and just buff out. Right, I've just opened the curtain because it was really sunny at one point, and then it's literally decided to sort of go overcast, so we're a bit better now. But look, you can see where I look a bit oily. Yes, I do look a bit oily, but what we could do is I will use a powder and we will go over this and see what it actually does, because I think this could be an absolute great base for your contour, I think it's really, really good. I think it's blended in my skin really, really well. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a brush and we will put some powder on my face. If you hear rain, it's just we're having a little bit of a thunderstorm. There's a bit of a rain. The powder I'm going to use is the MUA Skin Define Matte Perfection Loose Powder, and this is the Shine Control one, so it should help this like shimmer that you can see on my face. With vitamin E, an A, and jojoba, so it's just like that. And then if I just open it, it's just like a banana powder basically. What brush I'm going to use it with is, because we don't want to take off, I just want to take the shine off, if that makes sense, because that's what I would normally do, is just take the shine off and then probably go over with a normal powder bronzer as well. So there's this powder, we're just going to get, oh, there's some, actually there's some in the lid, so we'll use that. And we will just go all over the face. But why I've used this brush is because it's a lot more bigger, so the powder will like sort of go over the face a lot more, and then it shouldn't take the bronze off because it's more of a wider surface. See the bronze still, you can see where it's all bronzed up here. This is my natural shade, this is the bronze, so it's all still there. We're just taking that shine off. That's what I've done there. You can still definitely see the bronze. The natural light is really helping me, but yeah, I think this is really, really good. I like it. It's took the shine off. It just generally feels like my skin, because it's a foundation. And I will be back in 2 minutes and review this and give you my final verdict for the product. My verdict of this FITME Maybelline Matte and Poreless 355 Pecan with 30 ml in it is a verdict of a thumbs up. I generally think I struck gold dust with this, because when I saw this in Poundland, I was like, there's definitely too dark for my skin, but I think I could work it with a contour, and I genuinely think I could. What I would probably normally do is do my foundation with the foundation I'd actually like to use, and then put this on the top and just do the same technique that I just did, and then I'd powder up like I did, and then when I was going to bronze, I just bronze over the areas that I did, and then it should emphasize what you just done. You've got the color already there. I think it's perfect because it is like a foundation. It gives you that skin sort of feel. It's really, really nice. It's a little bit tacky on my cheeks, but I think that may be a little bit of the foundation that I generally did use, like this Miss Sporty one. Just didn't powder up enough. I try to powder as less as possible because I was trying not to take this sort of bronzy colour away. I love how I did it. I'm not being big in myself, but I love how I did it. I think just a little bit with this goes like a long way. I think it's really, really good. Like, there's another technique, if you ever see it, that if you find like a concealer, I used to use a concealer as a contour stick. I actually think I've still got that, and I could show you on this channel how I did it. I got that for a tip from someone else. Literally, so why is this not any different? This is not any different at all. It's just not in a concealer form, it's just not in a little form, but you can still use it. Just tap a little bit on your finger, and like I did, it's cleanable away, it's foundation at the end of the day, but like literally, this is really good. I really love this product, so it is definitely a thumbs up for me, because I will try to use it a lot more. Sorry, I've had to close the curtain again because the sun's decided to come out because it's unpredictable weather. The video has come to the end now on the FITME Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily Skin 355 Pecan. Like, my verdict was a massive thumbs up. I absolutely think this is a great product, and I'm glad I picked it up for only £1. I think that's amazing. Good contour alternative is great for that amount of money. I know that this would not be £1 in normal stores, so that's why I was really picking it up. I've come unfortunately to the end of the video. If you like the video and you liked how I use the product, showed you how to use it maybe in a different way, maybe you think next time, oh, I've got a really dark foundation but I don't want to use it on my skin, but I could use it as a contour knot, then I have done my job here. If you do like the video and you do like the advice, then please do give it a massive thumbs up, because I know you like them. I know that I can bring you more, and that's, like I said, brilliant at the end of the day. Comment down below if you've tried this product, you've tried it as you normally would, or you've tried it as the way I've done it, or you tried it as a different way. Let me know down below and I will comment back to you every single time and like your comment. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12 if you are new. I'd love you to absolutely all join. I know that you are watching these videos. I have noticed that people that are watching my videos aren't subscribed, so if you are definitely like a lot of my videos and watching them, please definitely do subscribe. It's absolutely free. You can sign up to YouTube absolutely free and subscribe to absolutely free by doing it on my main page and clicking the button and joining the little love family and my YouTube journey as we go along. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. It's all out of my own money and advice video for you guys, so yeah, absolutely no sponsored here. Yeah, so I hope that you like the video. Thank you for supporting and thank you for watching. Like I said, come and join. It's great if you do. Give it a like. Have a lovely day, guys, a lovely evening, and take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.